Okay, what is going on? Today is September 25th. It is currently 3:08, and today was very disappointing. It was a very slow day in the market. I initially only took trades on two stocks, three trades total, and then I was done for the day. I walked away with $132 in profit and decided I would be happy with that. And then I was sitting at the table eating my lunch around 12:15, and I pulled up the market on my phone, seeing one of the stocks that we were initially watching this morning that didn't do well this morning start to come back, and it was looking extremely strong. So I decided to hop in. And then I walked over to my computer to turn it on so I could actually trade from my computer instead of my phone. And that's when things went wrong. And I will actually show you the live video of that happening at the end of this. But first we'll go over the two stocks that I traded this morning. The first one was GHSI. 3 minutes into the market, I jumped in at 88 cents right here. I was hoping for a continuation up. Didn't happen. Jumped out at just a little less, 88.05. It was like a $20 loss. Basically nothing. And then the second trade on that stock that I took was a little later at 10:05. Let's see, 93 cent. Yeah, I jumped in here. I sold half here and then sold the other half down here. So it basically evened out for the day. I was basically break even on it. The next trade I took was on TVIX. This is an inverse ETF. So basically, this stock literally does the opposite of the S&P 500. Let's see. Oops. Let's unlink that. TVIX. So when the S&P 500 falls, TVIX goes up. When TVIX goes up, when SPY goes up, TVIX goes down. So they literally do the opposite at every minute. See, red, green, green, red, red, green. Well, you get the idea. See, SPY is going up, TVIX will continue going down. Now you would think this would be really easy, but it's not, because if you're wrong about one, you're obviously wrong about the other. But this morning they were talking about Trump's impeachment stuff, so the market was falling, and TVIX was rising. So I took advantage of that because the news was just coming out. They didn't know what was going on. Something about Trump talking about something, I don't know. I don't pay attention to all that. But so I hopped in here at 14.42, just rode it up a little bit, jumped out pretty early. I mean, it kept going, but like I said, I was up like $150. That put me at 132 on the day. I was happy. I jumped out. Whatever. So the last trade I took, PHAS. This one was terrible. So, like I said, I hopped in from my phone, sitting at the table, basically right here at the top, 521, with, let's see, 1,000 shares. So it was a $5,000 investment. Not that big of a deal, but just play the actual video, and I'll fast forward a little bit so you can watch it play out a little. It kept going down. See, I added another 1,000 at 53. I've already done that. So I'm in 2,000, so that's $10,000. Started to circle back around. Right here, I'm basically break even because this line is where I got in at, or it's my average, 517. Didn't go over, and I kept thinking it is going to go up. It is going to break that level. And then right here, it finally does for a little bit. Let's see. And you can see I put like an order out to try to sell half. I was waiting. I was hoping it would hit 525. 525 I was going to sell half. It gets to 524. Doesn't get to 525. Comes back down. And I tell myself if it gets this red line, which is support line, I'd add to my position. Change to a 5-minute chart, make it easier to watch. Okay, so I did already add. It dropped down to 505 and I added 2,000 more shares. So now I'm sitting in it with 4,000 shares, which is about $22,000 of an investment. So pretty heavy. And we'll just keep watching, keep watching. Oh, fast forward too fast. I wanted you to see how quickly this thing came down. Go back just a little more. Okay, so it's starting to come down. I'm starting to get nervous. I got my finger. I get over here on the sell market because I know if it falls hard, it's going to fall fast. Oof. Let's watch that again. You can see me put my order in when it's here, but it doesn't get filled until down here. Boom, bam. See how fast that was? Insane. So it went from bid down like 400 to 1,200. Just the snap of a finger. And that's the end of my trading day. So I ended up being down $1,400. Commissions and all. No, that's wrong. $1,100. It's ended up down $1,100. $1,400 total account, not including commissions. Let's see, $30,000 beginning, 27895. So I'm down total of $2,100 on the account. Today was just sorry. It was a slow day in the market. Nobody that I follow on social media that trades was making any money today. I seen this one pop up. I was excited about it. But as you can see, after the crash, it just kept going down. It never did come back up. What I was really hoping to see is for it to come up to meet this level here, about 575. That was my initial sell target. And I was going to sell, bits and pieces along the way to make sure I locked in profits. But obviously that didn't happen. So tomorrow will be a new day. Hopefully it's a stronger market tomorrow. Hope to see you then. Thanks.